The four sounds of I.
I, y. I.
Used in the middle of the syllable and at the end of the syllable.
Wit. Dig. Pick. Twist. Inform. Picnic. Finger. Animal. Difficult.
I.
Used at the end of the syllable. Used in the middle of the syllable. The vowel says its long sound because of the E. Long I before two consonants.
Pilot. Tiger. Shiny. Bike. Line. Drive. Wild. Blind. Climb.
E.
Latin roots. Used at the end of the syllable before another vowel. Used at the end of foreign words.
Radio. Jovial. Caviar. Medium. Unique. Guardian. Humiliate. Macaroni. Broccoli.
Ya.
Never used to spell.
Ya.
At the beginning of the word.
Junior. Senior. Civilian. Minion. Zillion. Familiar. Dominion. Ammonia. Scallion.